Hello guys, this is Kuya Mike TV at samahan nyo na ako ulit na sagutan itong 219 EPS topic sample exam. Yan. Basahin na natin guys. Sabi ni Ga, 한국의 전통 옷이 한복이요. 한국은 언제 입어요? In English, hanbok is a traditional Korean clothing, right? When do you wear hanbok? Yun. Sabi naman nila, Seoul na rin na, chusok gatun, blank, juro iboyo. In English guys, we wear it usually on blank, like New Year's Day or the Korean Thanksgiving Day. Yan guys, ito yung apat na pamimilihan natin. Itong si Kyoul,